Mississippi pot roast. Now get your pans ready. I'm using cast iron today at a medium-high heat with some avocado oil. Now I got this chuck roast 3 to 4 pounds. That's what you need. Mine was closer to 4 pounds. We're going to sear this front and back, including the size of this roast, because we got to build some flavor. Now, you'll know when that sear is complete, when that meat releases from the pan. It's going to naturally do it. So if you're trying to pick the meat up and it doesn't move, that sear is not complete. If you find value in this content and you have not subscribed yet, smash that subscribe button and turn on those notifications so you know when I release my content. Now, after that sear is complete, the flavorful fun that's in the bottom of that pan, we're going to use an onion to pick that up. So onions are key to deglazing or even cleaning in your kitchen. Cleaning grills, cleaning pans. If you don't want to use chemicals, you can use an onion and lemon, and that'll help clean it without chemicals. So that's just a little tip there. Now we're going to get these onions, like I said, we're going to cook them, we're going to soften them up, and as you can see, you know, they got all that flavor, picking up that flavor from the bottom of the pan. And then we're going to add some garlic. You got to be quick with that garlic because you don't want it to burn, but you want to become fragrant. And then you're going to give this bad boy a quick stir. And then as it becomes fragrant, you're going to remove it from the pan. So just like that, look at those soft onions right there. So we're going to place these into the crock pot. Now we got to add some flavor to this roast. So we got a whole entire ranch packet that we're going to add to this crock pot. And then we're going to add some more flavor. So we got some au jus. And this is going to be, you know, the building of a great Mississippi pot roast. Now I got some beef stock, right? Some beef broth. Now this is less sodium because, you know, those packets got enough sodium in itself. You can do whatever you like. If you want to go with no salt, a little salt, you know, regular salt, that's fine. And then we're going to get this stirred up, right? Now we're going to add that beautiful chuck roast into that crock pot. Now as we get this situated, now we're going to add those pepperoncini peppers in there. Now, you know, the recipe calls for about 8, but I like pepperoncini, you know, I call them banana peppers, right? Then we're just going to add a little bit of juice on the top and set it for 8 hours and 30 minutes. Now you can take it for 8 hours, but I'm going to work, so I'm going to put in, you know, 30 more minutes. So in case I got traffic on the way, then it's still ready to go, right? Now it's time to roll out. I gotta go to work. Alright, Focus fam, so I'm back home from work, and I'm gonna go ahead and tell you that kitchen smells absolutely amazing. Those aromatics in the room from that pot roast. Can't wait to get inside of it. I got some Cloves, man, that I bought, and I was gonna use it on, you know, one of my pulled pork recipes, but I didn't get to use it because it was so tender, so I decided to use it here. But again, you can see that meat is really tender, so I can't even pick up the whole thing without it falling apart. But that's what you're looking for, just a nice tender piece of meat after those 8 hours are done. And then you see all that flavor in that crock pot right there. That's what I'm talking about right there. This is gonna be absolutely delicious. And then look at those onions right there. Ooh wee, that looks absolutely delicious. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this meat and we're gonna shred it up. So again, these claws come in handy, especially like if this meat is like hot, because you don't even really gotta touch it, right? And I'm gonna leave a link in the, you know, description box so you guys can definitely, you know, pick up your cup if you like. Now that meat is tender. Look at that right there, just falling apart. That's what you want. Nice tender meat. It's gonna make for a nice tender bite, right? And then we got all that good juice right there. Look at that. And we're gonna pour this on top of it. And then we got our pepperoncini peppers, and then we're gonna get this situated so we can take this to the dinner table, and then you can put this on a bed of rice or some mashed potatoes like I did. Now that's delicious, fam.